Tired of the chaos in your rental search? We have a free tool to make your life easier. Let's hook you in with the problem all renters face. Stop letting listings blur together. Was it Squirrel Road or Madison Square? Are you tired of the rental hunt blur? Stop guessing and start tracking every detail that matters. The solution is a straightforward, organized approach. Introducing our free side-by-side comparison dashboard. This is your free side-by-side comparison tool, built for clarity. We built a free, sortable dashboard to capture every fact that matters, from true upfront costs to square footage. Let's look at some key features that save you time and money. The dashboard highlights key data like bedrooms/bathrooms, security deposits, and application fees. Compare true costs at a glance and keep your agent contacts attached to every home you tour. Protect yourself with our integrated scam defense feature. There's a simple verified checkbox right in the tool. Don't lose your deposit to a scammer. Our tool helps you stay safe. Use the verified column to confirm your agent's identity through our website before you pay anything. Ready to revolutionize your rental hunt? Here's how to get started. See that duplicate icon? Click it to save a private copy of the tool to your own workspace. The best part is, it's completely free to you. Visit our resources page to claim your free dashboard, save a private copy to your own workspace, and start hunting smarter today.